When you're planting new containerised plants in the middle of summer, it's really important that the plant root ball is wet when it's planted. I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to do that and make sure that this plant gets off to the best possible start. It's important to notice a few of the signs of wilting. When the leaves start getting droopy and slightly shriveled, when the flowers start also wilting and closing up slightly, and when the compost is light brown in colour and when you touch it you can't feel any moisture at all. If you just take the plant out of its pot, it'll almost fall off, and that means this compost is really dry. So to give it a good wetting, pop it back in its pot and plunge it in a bucket of water. And there you have it. All I need to do now is finish planting the rest of the row and I'll have a beautiful Hydrangea paniculata limelight hedge. Until next time, bye bye.